Hello guys, welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to show you how to manage job in Jenkins. So I will show you how to move job in Jenkins, how to rename the jobs, how to delete the jobs, or how to update the job. So let's go to the Jenkins console to practice. So let's go ahead and take, for example, this job. Or let me go to the main Jenkins console. Let's create a simple job. So let's get a simple job called manage. Let's make it a simple pipeline job. Simple hello world. Now we can build that job here. Let's build it a couple of times, like 3 times. Now, how do I move this job? As you guys can see right now, this job is located here on the main panel. I can move that job here to QA. So how do we move a job in Jenkins? You have two choices. It's either you click on the job and you click here to move the job, like you get inside the job first. You click here to get inside the job and you click here to move the job, or from where the job is being labeled, there's a drop down menu. You can come here, you click on the drop down menu, and if you check, you are going to have move. So I will click here on move. Then you come here, you click to show where you want to put it. I want to put it under QA. So I can move that under Jenkins QA. So I can move that under Jenkins QA here. And remember, right, what is called Jenkins? When you say Jenkins QA, Jenkins here is a dashboard, right? And inside dashboard is a directory called QA. That's why it's saying that I can move that under Jenkins QA, right? So as you guys can see here, this is what is called Jenkins. That's what it called Jenkins here. And this QA is a directory. So I can move anything inside Jenkins QA. So I will click here like I did last time, move. Then I will select Jenkins QA and we move. If I now go to the Jenkins dashboard, you will not see anything because that job has been moved here to the QA. If I click on the QA folder, you'll be able to see that. So this dashboard QA, and this is the job. If I click on this job, see we'll say dashboard QA manage, which is the name of the job. That's the job here. That's how you move the job from one location to another. So let's look another scenario where we need to rename the job. This job name is called management. To rename the job, you can click here. There are two ways. Either you go, if I go to QA, I click here on the drop down menu, I can rename the job here, or I can click on the job itself, and on this panel, just like a setting, right? Like the setting that you have on your cell phone, I can come here and click on rename, then I can give him another name. I can go from manage for like to management, right? I can go from manage to management. I will click on rename. Now the job has changed to management. I can rename the job as well to something called testing. I will click rename. It has renamed the job to testing. The next thing that we want to do is like delete the job. For example, I can decide to delete this job. So to delete this job, I can either come here to delete it as a pipeline, or I can click on it itself. If I click on QA, I can come here, click on this drop down menu, I still delete the pipeline. So I can delete it from here if I want, or I can click on the job and delete it. If I delete here, as you guys can see, this job is gone, right? I can delete the job. Also, I can update it. Let's go into another folder and pick a job and pick something like a pipeline. This pipeline here, I can update this pipeline, meaning that I can change something inside. So I can come here, go to configure. Under configure, I can update it. I can do anything that I want here. For example, I can enable project list. So I can click here to add a build discarder. I can put here like maybe 2, maybe 4, I put like maybe 6. So I can update something. And here is running like a simple hello world command. So I can say hello world DevOps Easy Learning if I want. So I can update something, right? This just called update. So I can get in here and update something on that job. So I will apply and save, then I can build it with a new update. So it's going, instead of saying hello world, it's going to say hello world DevOps Easy Learning. As you guys can see here, It's Hello World DevOps Easy Learning. And before, if I click on the first build that pass, before, it was just saying Hello World. So we have added the portion to say Hello World DevOps Easy Learning. That is what is called update the job. So you can update the job at any given point of time. I'm going to add another one that I forget here called copy. So we can also copy one job to another. Like let's say, for example, I want to create a jobs. I'm trying to create a job, but that job is similar, right? That job has similar configuration like this build job. And remember, this build job is under dashboard. DevOps dashboard is just Jenkins, DevOps build. So if I want to create a job by making a copy of this job, I can come here, for example, I can even go to the QA folder. Then I will say new item. Let's give him a name, test. Then I will come here. I will not select anything. I will come here. I will say, well, go under DevOps, right? I think it's going to be, is it DevOps? Go under DevOps, right? Under DevOps, copy a job called build, right? Under DevOps, copy the job called build. I say slash DevOps because before that we have the Jenkins, right? Slash DevOps build, and it will copy that. See, directly, it will copy the build job. See, didn't have to put anything. I will just apply and save. So then I can just build. That's how you can copy one job to another. So Jenkins is very handy. You can copy job. As you guys can see here, I'll show you how to move the job, how to rename the job, how to delete the job, how to update the job, and also how to copy the jobs. I would like this video. See you guys on the next video.